Welcome back to another taste test. Today we've got Dot's Homestyle pork rinds, original seasoned chicharrones. Apparently Dot is famous for her Homestyle pretzels, and now she has her Homestyle seasoning on pork rinds. I happen to love pork rinds. I prefer the cheap ones. The hot thing now is artisan pork rinds, and they're usually too crunchy for me, and I like the cheap ones. But I don't eat them more than once or twice, well, maybe a couple times a year, 3, 4, 10, 20. They seem to affect my blood pressure more than most foods, so I do try to keep it within limits. So I don't go with them too often, but Dots looked interesting. Artisanal, but they seem not as crunchy, so let's give it a shot, shall we? There we go. Smells good. Smells like pork rinds, and they're perfectly crisp. By the way, one of our local groceries sells them by the sheet, by the pound, and they're so good. But you know, who needs a pound of? You realize how much pork rind it takes to make a pound. But they are delicious. Anyway, they smell like pork rinds and seasoning. Ooh. I like it. Their crispness is perfect. Buttermilk solids, garlic, spices, onion, cheddar cheese, sour cream, extractives of paprika, annatto, and turmeric. Cultured non-fat milk, unsalted butter, natural butter flavor. Sorry, it's an interesting mix of flavors, and they got it right for pork rinds. I don't know how it tastes on pretzels, but these are definitely a thumbs up. $70 calories per serving, and serving size is ½ an ounce, which is probably about reached now, but perfect crisp and great seasoning. Getting a little bit of spice now, but not burn your tongue off. Thank you, Dot. Seasoned with Dot's famous original pretzel seasoning. So it is the same seasoning as the pretzels. Become a fan, join the obsession. You did it, Dot. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. So, yeah. I'm going to try not to devour all these. Maybe one more. But, they are good. So, y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!